Lipsticks are made to appeal to the current fashion trend and come in a wide range of colors. Lipstick is made of dyes and pigments in a fragranced oil wax base. The primary ingredients found in lipstick are wax, oil, alcohol, and pigment. The wax used usually involves some combination of three types: beeswax, candelia wax, or the more expensive camaba. Wax enables the mixture to be formed into the easily recognized shape of the cosmetic. Oils such as mineral, castor, lanolin, or vegetable are added to the wax. Fragrance and pigment are also added, as are preservatives and antioxidants, which prevent lipstick from becoming rancid. In general, wax and oil make up about 60% of the lipstick, by weight, with alcohol and pigment accounting for another 25%, by weight. Fragrance is always added to lipstick, but accounts for 1% or less of the mixture. In addition to using lipstick to color the lips, there are also lip liners and pencils. The manufacturing methods described here will just focus on lipstick and lip balms. The manufacturing process. Melting and mixing. First, the raw ingredients for the lipstick are melted and mixed separately because of the different types of ingredients used. One mixture contains the solvents, a second contains the oils, and a third contains the fats and waxy materials. These are heated in separate stainless steel or ceramic containers. The solvent solution and liquid oils are then mixed with the color pigments. The mixture passes through a roller mill, grinding the pigment to avoid a grainy feel to the lipstick. This process introduces air into the oil and pigment mixture, so mechanical working of the mixture is required. The mixture is stirred for several hours. At this point some producers use vacuum equipment to withdraw the air. After the pigment mass is ground and mixed, it is added to the hot wax mass until a uniform color and consistency is obtained. The fluid lipstick can then be strained and molded, or it may be poured into pans and stored for future molding. If the fluid lipstick is to be used immediately, the melt is maintained at temperature, with agitation, so that trapped air escapes. If the lipstick mass is stored, before it is used it must be reheated, checked for color consistency, and adjusted to specifications, then maintained at the melt temperature, with agitation, until it can be poured. Molding. Once the lipstick mass is mixed and free of air, it is ready to be poured into the tube. A variety of machine setups are used, depending on the equipment that the manufacturer has, but high-volume batches are generally run through a melter that agitates the lipstick mass and maintains it as a liquid. For smaller, manually run batches, the mass is maintained at the desired mix temperature, with agitation, in a melter controlled by an operator. The melted mass is dispensed into a mold, which consists of the bottom portion of the metal or plastic tube and a shaping portion that fits snugly with the tube. Lipstick is poured upside down so that the bottom of the tube is at the top of the mold. Any excess is scraped from the mold. The lipstick is cooled, automated molds are kept cold, manually produced molds are transferred to a refrigeration unit, and separated from the mold, and the bottom of the tube is sealed. The lipstick then passes through a flaming cabinet, or is flamed by hand, to seal pinholes and improve the finish. The lipstick is visually inspected for air holes, mold separation lines, or blemishes, and is reworked if necessary. For obvious reasons, rework of the lipstick must be limited, demonstrating the importance of the early steps in removing air from the lipstick mass. Lipstick is reworked by hand with a spatula. This can be done in line, or the tube can be removed from the manufacturing process and reworked. Labeling and packaging. After the lipstick is retracted and the tube is capped, the lipstick is ready for labeling and packaging.